In this video, we'll show you how to install a Nova Series lock. To install the strike on a wood frame, only use the strike plate, reinforcing plate, dust box, and screws supplied. Installing the strike on a steel frame is very similar. Only use the strike plate, dust box, and screws supplied. To start the door preparation, first determine which template fits your lock installation. Use either the 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 backset. With the appropriate template, mark and drill the holes. The 1-inch, 25mm hole is on the center line of the door thickness. Mortise the door edge for the deadbolt faceplate. The deadbolt is preset as 2 3/4-inch, 70mm backset. If required, adjust the deadbolt to 2 3/8-inch, 60mm backset. Install the deadbolt in the door with the 2 screws. Make sure the slot is at the bottom and the tape is still over the deadbolt. To adjust the lock handing on the outside housing assembly, make sure the ring opening is farthest from the slot. For right hand, the groove will be at the 6 o'clock position. To adjust the lock handing to left hand, rotate the outside ring so that the groove is at the 12 o'clock position. Make sure that the inner ring doesn't rotate. To assemble the tailpiece, click it in place. Next, remove the inside cover by unscrewing a single screw and pulling off the cover. To assemble the outside housing, place the gasket onto the housing and insert the housing into the door. Insert the cables through the door and under the deadbolt. Ensure the tailpiece fits through the slot on the bottom of the deadbolt. At this point, remove the tape from the deadbolt. Next, install the inside trim assembly. Start by running the cable through the slot on the back plate of the inside trim assembly. If the door thickness is between 1 3/8-inch and 1 11/16, install the 2 short 8x32 screws with lock washers. If the door thickness is between 1 11/16 and 2 inches, install 2 long 8x32 screws and lock washers. Additionally, if the door thickness is between 1 3/8 and 1 11/16 inches, install 2 short 6x32 screws and lock washers. If the door thickness is between 1 11/16 and 2 inches, install 2 long 6x32 screws and lock washers. And finally, install a short 12x24 screw with a lock washer. Before tightening the screws, verify the functionality of the deadbolt by extending and retracting it. The deadbolt should move smoothly. Once this has been completed, properly tighten all of the screws. Then, connect the power cable and route the cable as shown. Next, insert 3 AA batteries. Install the inside cover and tighten the single screw at the top. This concludes the installation process for the Nova Series lock. For support, contact our customer service team.